Hi folks, Kenny from ScotPhil here, and once again, good to see you. I've been a bit preoccupied the last couple of weeks, hence the lack of any videos. But I've put together a short film using one of my drones of the place I was staying in during July and August. So let's get this done. As some of you already know, I've moved again, this time to another friend's house, while he and his family are back in the UK. I've also agreed to help out with some repairs here and to supervise some bigger repairs that he's got some trades coming in for. More of that at a later date. Here's the drone video. I managed to get this done on one of the last days at the Elyseah Condotel. It's still wet season here and I had to put off filming on a couple of occasions. This is the interior space of the building, taken from just outside the door of the room I had rented. And, obviously from just above the communal pool, looking back toward the upper level. It's all studios downstairs with one-bedroom apartments upstairs, which are all on 2 levels. Have a look back at the previous video from when I moved in, and you'll get an idea of the layout. Thought I would do a bit of a flyover. You can clearly see the water tanks on top, and there is a bit of a slow drift down the front of the building. I had also moved early on to the apartment furthest to the left on the middle and upper floor. Thanks also to the girls who got any faults put right fairly quick and kept the place super clean. Once again, I'm at the end of another video. Please hit the like button for me and look back in again next time. I'll get something done before the end of the month. Until then, stay safe, stay well. See you soon, hopefully.